Is AI going to take your freelance job? And that's the question on everyone's mind right now. And if you know what the skills to focus on, you won't just survive, you'll absolutely thrive in this new AI-augmented economy. The AI-augmented economy. But we have a problem. The landscape is changing fast, and reports show nearly half of all worker skills will be disrupted in the next 5 years. We've seen demand for automation-prone jobs drop by 21% since ChatGPT launched, and even high-earning freelancers are feeling the squeeze. But this isn't a doomsday message. Today I'm cutting through all the noise to give you the 10 skills that AI can't replace. First, let's understand the paradox. AI is a fantastic productivity tool, and we all agree on that. It can generate code, it can write basic articles, it can summarize research in seconds. But here's the flip side. Why pay for a generic content when AI can deliver something good enough for a fraction of the price, right? The good news is that this isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans learning to do what machines can't do and using machines to amplify what we do best. The future belongs to the irreplaceable freelancer. The irreplaceable freelancer. Before we get to the 10 skills, let's quickly look at the 3 foundational human qualities that AI simply cannot replicate. We're talking about embodied intelligence and physical acuity, things hands-on, real-world improvisation. Robots can't navigate a broken pipe in an old house like a plumber can. They lack the nuanced physical precision and adaptability. The second pillar is emotional intelligence and social acumen. This means understanding, managing, and responding to human emotions. Empathy, trust, negotiation, and leadership, these are deeply human. AI simulates, but AI doesn't feel anything. And the third pillar is strategic creativity and critical judgment. It's a true originality, making complex ethical decisions, crafting narratives from lived experience. AI remixes, but humans create new knowledge and insights. So you got these pillars, great, because every one of our 10 irreplaceable skills is built upon them. First, we have a strategic relationship building and negotiations. Maybe you are interviewing a sensitive source, negotiating a complex deal, or managing public relationships crisis. People want to deal with people. Usually it's about a genuine connection, not algorithms. Next we have some complex problem solving and judgment. AI is great with structured data, but the real world problems are really messy. They lack complete information. They require ethical dilemmas. Think less about writing code, more about designing an entire digital strategy for a client's revenue problem. Sam Altman himself says judgment and creativity are key defenses against AI. Next we have narrative crafting and storytelling. AI can generate text, but can it tell a story that makes you feel something? People crave authentic human stories. Your unique voice, your personal experiences, AI can't replicate that emotional depth. Next we have a subject matter expertise and specialized insight. So in a world of generic AI content, the deep knowledge is your gold mine. AI aggregates existing data, it doesn't create new insights born from years of experience. Companies are actively seeking original content because AI often gets things wrong or lacks nuance. Next we have empathy-driven personal services. This is all about human touch, nurses, therapists, personal trainers, massage therapists. These roles are secure because they demand physical presence, hands-on care, and genuine empathy. Patients need connection, clients need personalized attention that only another human can provide. And surprise, old school skills are back, like plumbers, electricians, carpenters. These roles require improvisation in unpredictable physical environments. Robots still struggle with manual precision and reacting to unforeseen real-world quirks. The demand is high, the supply is low, and AI can fix those leaky toilets. In a world where AI can generate believable misinformation at lightning speed, humans are the ultimate truth tellers. AI can't ensure integrity or assess ethical implications, and freelance journalists, editors, researchers, your role is verifying information and maintaining credibility is more vital than ever. And we have a personalized coaching and mentorship. AI can offer data-driven advice, but it can provide tailored motivation. emotional support, or the accountability of a human coach. A mentor builds trust, understands your unique struggles, and guides your personal growth in a way no algorithm can. And we have a cross-functional collaboration and integration. The future favors freelancers who can unify diverse teams, integrate different disciplines, and leverage AI tools to create holistic solutions. You're not a specialist, you're a strategic orchestrator, understanding how all the pieces, human and AI, fit together. And the last one is our digital fluency and AI-assisted creativity. The most crucial skill isn't about resisting AI, but embracing it as a powerful collaborator. This means understanding prompt engineering, knowing how to use AI tools effectively, and leveraging them to amplify your own creativity and efficiency. You became a human plus AI powerhouse. The bottom line is clear. AI isn't going away, but is not here to erase the human touch. It's here to highlight its irreplaceable value. The future of freelancing belongs to those who understand this synergy. So what do you think? Which of these skills do you already have, and which will you focus on next? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insights into the future of work, and share this with a fella freelancer who needs to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.